Imagine writing a program without typing a single line of code. Sounds impossible, not in 2025. Welcome to the world of AI-assisted coding, where your next software project could be generated by AI. And programmers are calling it the next big revolution in tech. AI-assisted coding is a method where AI tools like GPT, Copilot, and other advanced models help developers write, debug, and optimize code. Instead of manually typing every function, you provide prompts, guidance, or high-level instructions, and AI does the heavy lifting for you. Enter vibe coding, a trend that's shaking up the programming world. Developers don't just write code anymore, they vibe with AI. You describe what you want in natural language or even through flow diagrams, and the AI produces clean, production-ready code. It's like having a co-pilot that never sleeps. The benefits are huge. Projects that used to take weeks can now be done in days. AI can detect bugs and suggest fixes before they become problems. And it boosts creativity, allowing developers to experiment with complex features without being limited by syntax or boilerplate code. From web apps to games and even AI models themselves, AI-assisted coding is helping companies and individual developers innovate faster. Some startups are already shipping products in record time using vibe coding techniques. But it's not all perfect. AI can make mistakes, produce inefficient code, or generate solutions that are hard to maintain. Human oversight is still essential. Programmers must review, test, and refine what AI produces. By 2026, experts predict that AI-assisted coding will be mainstream. Programmers will spend less time typing boilerplate code and more time designing, creating, and innovating. The role of a developer is evolving from coder to AI conductor, orchestrating complex software with the help of intelligent tools. So are you ready to ride the AI coding wave? Subscribe to AI Productivity Hub for the latest tools, tips, and tutorials that will keep you ahead in the coding revolution. The future is here. Don't get left behind. Brought to you by AI Productivity Hub, your go-to channel for AI tools and next-level productivity hacks that will 10x your productivity.